If you think flying is just for planes and helicopters, get ready to have your mind blown. From suitcase-size electric vertical liftoff vehicles to personal hovercrafts that look ripped from a science fiction movie, these are not your typical aircraft. They are bold creations built by everyday inventors, flipping aviation on its head and redefining what flight can be. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you are going to see flight in a way you never imagined. First up, the NASA Puffin is an incredible one-person electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft that's being developed for urban air mobility. It uses a unique tilt wing design, allowing it to take off vertically and transition into efficient forward flight. Powered by electric motors, it offers a range of 50 miles and can reach speeds up to 150 miles per hour. With its compact size and environmentally friendly electric propulsion, the Puffin is perfect for short-distance travel in cities, offering a quieter and greener alternative to traditional transportation. It's designed to be sustainable, offering zero emissions and reducing noise pollution in urban areas. The tilt wing design ensures excellent maneuverability, making it perfect for congested cities where space is at a premium. EHang 184. Developed by Chinese company EHang, it is a fully electric, autonomous passenger drone often referred to as a flying taxi. Designed to carry a single passenger along with light luggage, it operates without the need for a pilot and offers short to medium-range urban air travel. With a top speed of 80 miles per hour and a range of around 20 miles, the EHang 184 presents a bold vision for the future of city transportation, combining convenience, autonomy, and sustainability through its all-electric propulsion system. Next up is the Harmony Coaxial Electric Rotorcraft. The Harmony Coaxial Electric Rotorcraft offers a remarkable twist on traditional rotorcraft by using coaxial rotors, two stacked rotors that eliminate the need for a tail rotor. This allows for increased stability and reduced drag, making it more efficient. This rotorcraft can carry up to 4 people and has a range of 30 to 60 miles with a top speed of 100 miles per hour. The electric motors make it quieter and more eco-friendly compared to conventional helicopters. Its compact design and reduced noise pollution make it perfect for urban air mobility solutions like air taxis. The coaxial rotor system also provides better control in turbulent air, making the Harmony ideal for urban environments where precision and stability are crucial. Next up is the Flycart 2. The Flycart 2 is an exciting and innovative flying machine that combines the thrill of go-karting with the experience of flight. Designed with 4 electric rotors arranged in a quadcopter configuration, it allows for vertical takeoff and landing, offering a unique way to experience personal flight. With the top speed of 45 miles per hour and a range of 15 to 30 miles, the Flycart 2 is a great entry-level aircraft, providing a fun and simple flying experience for enthusiasts. Its lightweight design and ease of use make it perfect for beginners, and its compact size means you can store it easily when not in use. Next up is the Cyclotech Blackbird. Utilizes cycloidal rotors, a unique technology that allows for precise vertical lift and forward propulsion. This makes it ideal for hovering and maneuvering in tight spaces, which is a major advantage in urban areas or emergencies. The Blackbird can carry up to 2 people and has a range of 20 to 50 miles, with a top speed of 60 miles per hour. It's fully electric, which makes it a more sustainable option than traditional helicopters, offering quieter operation and zero emissions. Its cycloidal rotor system provides excellent stability and maneuverability, making it perfect for rescue operations, cargo transport, and personal air mobility. Next up is the Martin Jetpack. Despite its name, the Martin Jetpack did not use a traditional jetpack, instead relying on ducted fans for lift. Martin Jetpack is one of the most iconic personal flying machines. It's a jet-powered backpack that allows individuals to fly at speeds of up to 45 miles per hour with a range of 30 miles. The technology is built for personal aviation, offering a thrilling yet practical solution for escaping traffic in urban environments. This machine has received significant attention due to its futuristic design, offering the dream of flying like a superhero. Klein Vision's Flying Air Car. It is a groundbreaking 2-seat hybrid that transforms from car to aircraft in under 2 minutes. Powered by a 280 horsepower petrol engine, it cruises at 124 miles per hour on the road and up to 155 miles per hour in the air at 10,000 feet, with a range of 620 miles. Weighing just 1,100 kilograms, it features convertible wings, a fold-out tail, and a built-in safety parachute for dual-mode travel. With over 170 flight hours, 500 takeoffs, and airworthiness certification secured in 2022, the Air car is set for delivery in early 2026 at a projected price of $800,000 to $1 million. Next, Vantage 5 rotor air bike stands out for its use of 5 rotors to ensure enhanced stability, particularly during takeoff and flight. This extra rotor provides additional lift and control, making it safer and easier to handle. With a range of 20 to 30 miles and a top speed of 55 miles per hour, the Vantage is perfect for short-distance commutes in urban areas. The additional rotor system makes it more stable and easier to navigate in tight spaces, offering better performance than other flying bikes with fewer rotors. Next up is the Orb Nomad. It is a fully electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft developed by Orb Aerospace as a vision for accessible and sustainable personal aviation. Designed for one person, this compact eVTOL features an innovative rotor system enabling both vertical and horizontal flight with autonomous capabilities aimed at redefining urban mobility. Created in collaboration with Ozone Films and visualized in stunning 4K, the Orb Nomad offers a clean, efficient alternative to ground transportation, allowing users to bypass traffic and navigate cities with ease. Next up is the Aviation 26. Aviation 26 lifting body airship is a hybrid design that blends the buoyancy of an airship with the speed and maneuverability of an airplane. This unique design offers greater lift, stability, and speed compared to traditional airships. Powered by a hybrid propulsion system that combines electric and gas engines, allowing it to travel long distances at speeds up to 60 miles per hour. With a range of 150 to 300 miles, the Aviation 26 can carry up to 6 people and is perfect for surveillance, transportation, or luxury travel. The lifting body design provides greater stability and efficiency, making it a versatile solution for a variety of applications. Next up is the Aerolift Cyclocrane. It takes the same cycloidal rotor concept used in the Blackbird and applies it to a larger cargo-carrying aircraft. The cyclocrane is designed to transport heavy cargo in urban environments, offering a unique and efficient way to move goods without needing traditional runways. This aircraft can carry larger loads, offering a range of 30 to 60 miles and a top speed of 50 miles per hour. The electric propulsion system reduces noise pollution, making it an ideal choice for urban logistics. The ability to hover and carry large loads through confined spaces opens up a whole new world of possibilities for transporting goods in busy cities. Terrafugia Transition. The Terrafugia Transition is a roadable aircraft, meaning it can transform from a car to an airplane. It's designed to be driven on roads and then converted into an aircraft or flying. The Transition features folding wings, allowing it to fit in the standard parking spaces when in car mode. It has a range of around 400 miles in flight mode and can reach speeds of up to 100 miles per hour. The Terrafugia is aiming to combine the best of both worlds, providing convenience and flexibility for both road and air travel. Lift Aircraft Hexa. It is a groundbreaking electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft built for personal flight with zero runway, zero hassle, and no pilot's license required. Designed for short-distance travel and recreational use, Hexa is powered by 18 independent electric motors and propellers, delivering ultra-stable, computer-assisted flight. Weighing just 432 pounds, it features an amphibious carbon fiber frame with built-in floats, allowing takeoff and landing on both land and water. Operated by a single joystick or fully autonomous autopilot mode, it reaches speeds of up to 100 miles per hour with a range of 30 miles and a flight time of around 15 minutes. Bellwether's Velar Antelope. The Velar Antelope is a futuristic electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft that combines the sleek aesthetics of a science fiction vehicle with the functionality of both a drone and an airplane. Developed by Bellwether Industries, its hybrid design features 4 ducted fans concealed within the body, enabling vertical lift and whisper-quiet flight. A half-scale prototype recently climbed to 13 feet and reached about 25 miles per hour. The full-scale Velar is expected to seat up to 5 passengers, cruise at 135 miles per hour at 3,000 feet, and fly for 60 to 90 minutes, with a targeted launch by 2028. Next up is the Icon A5. Icon A5 is a sleek amphibious light sport aircraft designed to make flying as accessible and thrilling as driving a sports car. With foldable wings, a lightweight carbon fiber frame, and the ability to take off and land on both water and land, it brings adventure and versatility to personal aviation. Powered by a Rotax 912 engine, the A5 cruises at around 109 miles per hour and has a range of roughly 427 miles. Its intuitive controls, built-in angle of attack indicator, and spin-resistant
piston airframe make it ideal for both beginner pilots and experienced flyers looking for a fun, safe, and portable flying experience.
Joby's electric air taxi. Joby Aviation's electric air taxi is a fully electric, vertical takeoff and landing aircraft designed to provide urban air mobility. The air taxi can carry up to 4 passengers and is capable of traveling at speeds up to 200 miles per hour with a range of 150 miles. This fully electric, quiet, and sustainable vehicle aims to revolutionize how we think about commuting by offering a faster, greener alternative to traditional ground transportation. Aeromobile 5.0 VTOL flying car. It is an advanced flying car that can seamlessly transition between being a road vehicle and an aircraft. It has vertical takeoff and landing capabilities, allowing it to operate in tight spaces and make short, efficient flights. With a top speed of 200 miles per hour in the air and a range of 500 miles, it combines the practicality of a car with the speed and freedom of a plane. Next up is the Zapata Jet Racer. It is a one-seat vertical takeoff and landing aircraft that pushes the limits of personal flight. It reaches speeds of up to 155 miles per hour and altitudes near 10,000 feet, all while maintaining stability and maneuverability even if 2 turbines fail. Controlled by a fly-by-wire system, the Jet Racer can launch from compact sites like trailers or offshore platforms. With a payload capacity of about 200 kilograms and a flight time of up to 40 minutes, it is being explored for everything from personal recreation to military and rescue operations. Last but not least is the Opener Blackfly. It is a single-seat electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft built for ultra-light personal flight. With a tandem wing design and 8 electric motors, it lifts off vertically and transitions smoothly to forward flight. Weighing just over 300 pounds and made entirely of carbon fiber, it is amphibious and operates on grass, snow, water, or pavement. It cruises at up to 62 miles per hour with a range of 25 to 40 miles and charges to 80% in just 25 minutes. Designed for safety and simplicity, it features triple redundancy, distributed propulsion, and an optional ballistic parachute.